You're going to say the stock's up 63%. How can you possibly trade this stock still? That's a great question. I will say you trade CHK, and one of the reasons why is valuation still isn't ridiculous, although that's not in and of itself a reason to buy the stock. But there is still a significant short interest of 22%, and I don't think they've come close to covering yet. I think the OPEC news is bullish, as you saw it today with the stock up 3.5%, and I think there's still room. People will chase, and I think they'll chase this closer to $6.50 than they will sell it below $5. So I say, despite the move, trade CHK.
I'm going to be consistent here. I'm going to go with fade it because it's still in the energy complex. The reason why energy moved today was OPEC. That was the overarching macro news of the day. Everyone was expecting 1 million new barrels per day to enter production. We got something like 600,000. The big difference was that was bullish or seen as bullish for the entire market. I think it's a sell. I think energy is a sell.
I'm a buyer of this one. I'm a buyer. I'm not going to be a denier. And the reason why,
no such thing as deniers.
Yes, it is. There's a buyer to deny it. So BK's a buyer, and I'm trading it. And the reason why, again, it comes down to, I think all of these names have this great risk-reward setup right now. $65 on ConocoPhillips. I know where my stop is. That's it right there. And then I can shoot for the upside as long as oil keeps going higher.
I'm a fader. I'm a seller, fader, whatever you want to say. I mean, look, there's no growth in this company until 2020. Zero growth. So you look at it and say the stock probably just meanders. It probably will. If you say rising tide lifts all boats, grind higher if oil continues to grind higher, but it's going to underperform every other name that's a higher quality name. I'd prefer to own a CVX over an ExxonMobil at these levels.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.